Hey there, how are you? In my last video, I spoke about hiding buttons from the command bar in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps. And I also mentioned that we can manipulate the behavior of buttons and how that opens up a lot of possibilities. My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open a dialog from a command bar button. First, let's see it in action. In this scenario, we are working in a help center and our job is resolving cases. And when we do so, we want to capture some data, namely the date stamp on resolved, how it was resolved, any comments on the case, and we also want to set the case's status reason to resolved. For this purpose, a new button was created, and when we click it, a dialog opens up to get the necessary information. Had a lot of fun making this video. And save. Resolved by got set. We have information about how it was resolved and also the comments we added. And the case is resolved. Now, let's take a look behind the scenes. First, you need to create a custom page. For those who are not familiar with custom pages, they are an awesome way to solve a number of challenges and also how you can get all the goodness of Canvas app into the model-driven world. To create a custom page, click New, App, Page. Let's open the one we are using here. I think I got it open right here, yeah. And what you need to consider is the following. The app should be responsive, so make sure you use containers. And you need to grab the record that is in context. To do so, use app OnStart right here. And I'll leave this code in the comments. Just replace the table and the column accordingly. Now that you have the records stored in a variable, use a patch to update it and use back to close the dialog. Don't forget to publish the app, and if you are testing, use something visual like this V1 here. So go with V1, V2, V3 until you get the result you need, and then you can just simply delete this. Now, let's edit the model-driven app. Click Edit and start by adding the custom page to the app, but make sure you deselect Show in Navigation as you don't want it to be visible in the menu. Then click on the three little dots next to the table where you want to add the button and Edit command bar. Choose Main Form and Edit. To add a new button, click New, Command. And after adding the button, you can name it and choose an icon for it. Now, when the user clicks on the button, we want to run some JavaScript. I'll leave this code in the description, but please note what you need to look out for. First, there's a function, and the function name needs to go here. Also, you need to get the name of your custom page and insert it here. To get the name, go to your solution and you will find it here. Type it carefully. It needs to match exactly or it won't work. Also, type the name of the table you are working. With that done, add the code as a web resource, and you can do it from here with add library. And finally, you may want to add some logic as to when to show or hide the button. In this case, we can only resolve a case that is ongoing, so our visibility condition states just that. Save and publish, and to be on the safe side, publish all customizations. And it's done. Fun, right? And also very powerful and very flexible. Give it a try and let me know how it goes, okay? See you soon!